Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious red pasta sauce at home. We'll start by selecting the best canned tomatoes, which are the foundation of any great sauce. Then, we'll gently sauté aromatic vegetables like fresh onion and garlic to build a flavorful base. Finally, we'll incorporate fresh herbs such as basil and oregano, ensuring your sauce has a vibrant, authentic taste. This simple process yields a rich, homemade sauce everyone will love. Once your base is ready, it's time to simmer. Let your sauce cook gently for at least 30 minutes to allow all the flavors to meld beautifully. If your tomatoes are a bit acidic, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the taste. Remember to stir the sauce occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot and to ensure even cooking. This step is crucial for developing a deep, rich flavor. Now for the fun part, customization. For a heartier meal, consider browning 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or Italian sausage, and adding it to your simmering sauce. If you enjoy a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes will give your sauce a spicy kick. For an extra layer of complexity, a splash of red wine can deepen the flavors, making your homemade sauce truly unique and delicious. As your sauce finishes cooking, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves right before serving to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for your palate. Your delicious homemade red pasta sauce is now ready. Serve it generously over your favorite pasta, perhaps with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and enjoy a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.